We bought an Atari Crystal Castle cocktail from a guy in West Virginia. Had it shipped all the way over here. Here it is getting off the truck. Look at the weird caster configuration where they took a... We gotta fix that. That's not good. All right, so here we are unwrapping as usual, where we take its clothes off. We look inside. Seems like it's normal. I don't like this. Look at the ground. The ground is missing, so I got plugs in my drawers and stuff. I'm gonna take things out. First thing to do is release it. Then we cut the head off, and then we strip it back and take the insulation off because nobody likes the insulation. It doesn't make any sense. And we're going to strip the tips of these and round them up, and we're going to twist the wires in the direction of the screws that we're going to screw them onto. I love to use the drill. The drill is my friend. It really annoys me when a plug is missing one of its, ground. Well, usually the ground is missing. It doesn't work. All right, we did it. Look at that. It's nice. All right, throw that crap away. Here we go. Okay. I'm still looking at this. Okay, that's not going to fit, though. That's what she said. What's this in here? Like a Wi-Fi plug? And what else? Oh, these are like the little latches that go on the locks that are missing. These are the keys, but to what? To the coin box. Got it. Hey, look, made in Kentucky? Commonwealth of Kentucky? Nice. Well, maybe not made there. All right, let's bring this guy inside. Scooching it across the deck, pushing it inside, pulling it in. Video kiosk is off in the way, and pull it inside. All right, let's see what's going to happen here. I found this instruction poster inside, and I'm going to tape it together because it's Christmas, and I know where the Scotch tape is. Bam! It's back together. Oh, yeah, it's like no damage ever occurred. This won't fit inside of the machine. I don't know what the deal is, but it was in there anyway. So we're going to, oh, look, there's 2 copies of everything. That's sweet. And what's this? Part of the locks. Okay, that's good. I don't know what oh, big red. That makes sense now. I don't know why that was in there. It was weird. Oh, so now check out our legs. They're very patina. And over here on the Warlords, I had that powder coated. Oh, and check out the gouge. It's actually not that weak, but we'll fix that. And this bulb is out. Let's fix that regular light bulb. It looks like it's a 5-volter. We'll take our LED. I had an orange one. We're going to slide it on, and that's beautiful. It looks great. Okay, the monitor is just loose. It's just sitting here. So there's holes. Okay, so I find a screw. If I can find a screw, and look, it has like these things to screw it in. So, all right, I found one. It's way too long, so we're going to mark it, and then we're going to take a good look at it. We're going to find our dare ruler and then see how long it is. And then we're going to go to the Home Depot with the scary birds on top and go and find this guy. This helps me figure out what thread anything is. Oh, it's a 10-24. Of course, that's what I thought. And then I'm going to get a brass set of screws that are this size because, the rest of the monitor enclosure is made out of brass. Screwing it in, and this is too long. That's what she said. I'm going to use my compact screwdriver. Is that going to work? No. So I'm just going to use the tip. Sometimes you just got to use the tip, guys. We're going to put these on, but we're running out of time. So I'm going to set this on its back, and we're going to do stuff to the casters next. So stay tuned, man. Look, the monitor's solid. Now I can, hold it upside down. Yeah!